Bonjour y'all, it's Miss K. Let's make some lunch in our electric lunchbox. I'm gonna start with a half cup of rice. And yes, I did rinse it, and this is jasmine rice. Then we're going to add some flavoring here. I added some mirin, some sake, and some of this Japanese soup base that I have. Shuyu, I got it at the Asian market. It's a concentrate. It's great on noodles. Looks like this. Then we're going to add about a half cup of water. If you can't tell, I'm winging it here. And stir that together. Let's add some protein. I used half of a chicken breast because that's what I had. I am sure it would be great with anything else. Then I seasoned up that chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some of my favorite dollar store no salt seasoning. You could probably use Mrs. Dash. Stir it around to get everybody coated. Add some more if it looks a little sad, like mine did. Now we're just going to place that chicken on top of the rice in a nice even layer. You want the rice on the bottom or it won't cook correctly. And now that we've got our protein, we need some vegetables. I'm using some frozen peas and carrots. And I'm just going to lay that on top. I decided this needed something else, so I have 2 mushrooms that I'm slicing up here. They are peeled. I don't know why I peeled my mushrooms. Someone told me to, and it's fun. In the base, I'm going to add 3 Itaki cups of water. Put my tray in, and then we'll pop the lid on and start cooking this baby. We are going to use the meal rice button. It's programmed for 40 minutes. And when the timer goes off, voila! I hope this is good. Be careful, it's kind of hot. Not terribly hot. There we go. Not so bad. Kind of pale, but hey, it's probably tasty. The rice is cooked. Let's taste it. You know, I'd like to stir this around, but it's much too cool. I'm gonna add on some green onion and some sesame seeds on the top. I do like the toasted sesame seeds. There we go, close up. Truth be told, for me, this is gonna make 2 lunches. This is a lot of food, a lot of rice. There you go, guys. Bon appetit. If you make it, let me know. What changes would you make to make it your own? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.